Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How do you do? I'm your host, Seth Julian, welcoming you to today's briefing. And for a change, we've got a little bit, actually a lot of good news out of the NATO-Russo war. Yesterday, the grain export agreement brokered by Turkey between Ukraine and Russia will extend for another 4 months the basically the shipping lines. The shipping lines from Odessa out to the Black Sea and to the rest of the world. Still 11 million tons of summer wheat harvest waiting to leave the docks. So that's good news. That is good news. And we see a reasonably good opportunity in wheat, to be short wheat. This is a 4-hour chart. If I give you the longer perspective, take a daily chart. Get into perspective, of course. Long-term secular trend is definitely down. I could do action here. It's definitely down since the highs at the outbreak of war. I got a little sign so you get the full picture. And weekly chart, I guess. This is when prices really started to, you see here. This is the outbreak of the war right there, February. Right there, 23rd of February. Boom! It's been coming down since, and so we think it's going to continue to come down because of this new grain agreement. Technicals indicate a strong sign. There's been a lot of volatility daily, but nonetheless, we see this as a reasonably good shorting opportunity. So we're going to be wheat for a while because we expect this to really stay in tow. And the long term, you can see the force index is down below. Also one other thing, and we don't, this is not necessarily a terribly reliable indicator, but it's on here for educational purposes. The Commitment of Traders report shows the large speculators, and those are the groups that's the group of the three that the Commodities Futures Trading Committee breaks out as individual classes of traders, being the commercial hedgers, speculators, and the large speculators. We never follow the small scale speculators because you're generally wrong. The commercial hedgers are always going to go against the trade because they're hedging, and so if the large money is below the zero line, that means they're net short, and the large money at least is often considered to be this, not necessarily and not always. But we see in this case that they're short and the trend is short. Those are powerful reinforcing indicators, as you can see also the downtrend in the force index. So this is a good short, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of good news out of Ukraine change. And with that, I'm going to bid you adieu and say, as your host, Seth Julian, I wish you all the ability to trade with confidence, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye for now.